hooked it up. Well, I think he come off. Oh, he's on there. He's a big one. Look out, boys. She's a monster. It bit a heck of a lot harder than that. It's probably because it's in his eyeball. Yeah, it's probably not a good. It's not a. Yeah. Yeah. Swimming in circles. That's it, boy. Sorry, dude. Supposed to eat it, not to swim at it. Would you stop and I'll get you off of there? Good grief. There you go. Huh. Yeah, that's just kind of a random toss. I was just kind of tossing it out there for just kind of just cuz, I guess. Not real sure why I was to it out there, but how deep are we now? That's better. That's a little bit better anyway. You just threw it out there, didn't you?
Yeah, he's on the fall.
Yeah. Not a big one, but hey, she's another one. Another one down. Another one by seduced. Alright. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Hell, I may have to put on a plastic and try that instead of the crankbait, maybe. All this wood. On there. Get in the boat, bro. Shoot ya. I'm about to get into the biggest mess of the day here. Yeah, there we go. Now that's a little better. That's a little better. Now, pretty savvy. I think that's the biggest one so far in the boat, isn't it? Since we got the boat. Huh? Yeah, that's a nice fat one too. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, buddy, boy. Hell, I thought I was hung up in, and I was in the grass there for a minute, but apparently that's where he took me. Was in the grass. Yeah. So. There we go. Yeah, finally got one. There we got one. A little better. Huh?
Shallow water too.
Yep, sure would. Yep. A little bit better.
Yeah.
I mean, not a lot, but a little bit.
You know, compared to what we've been catching.
We'll take it.
That's a little bit taller. You can see it.
Yeah.
No splashing that last one.
Yeah. He hit her hard, I know that. I thought for sure it was going to be bigger than that, but he sure hit her hard. He's a... Yeah, he thought he's a monster there for a second. Oh, Goog Banger. She's getting beat up and hung up and everything else. Poor old thing. Oh, hell yeah, there we go. There we go. See there? And that's something I just threw my crankbait through there. Never got a hit. Oh, that just goes to show you never know.
No, you don't.
Well, like I say, I threw my crankbait right in there a couple times actually.
Yeah.
Didn't want it. Something just fall in its face when it wanted to. Yeah, like I say, I got the... Need the pliers. Got it? Yeah. Yeah. See there? Good deal. I was just saying, talking about trees. Always good.
Yeah, I haven't. Oh, that's for a long time. Got a piece of it off. We've done it twice.
About to its end, though.
Yeah. Tail's still there though.
Yeah, and that's usually what gets bit off. Yeah, that's usually what gets bit off. Well, yeah, usually because the perch is like they usually eat that. Oh, there we go. Yep. They're over here in these trees, ain't they? How deep is it, you say? 4.5 feet. 4.5 feet. Yeah, another dink, but hey, we'll take it. All right. Heck yeah. Another one kind of playing with it there, ain't you? Perch. Perchy perch. Go figure. Yeah, I tried different things, I guess. We gotta get off that pattern of doing the same thing.
And that's the problem.
Oh, I think I missed that sucker. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there we go. A little better one. A little better fishy. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yep. Apparently so. Well, I guess actually all of them, except what, maybe one or two, has been kind of off the bank a little bit. I mean, it ain't big by no means, but yeah. Thanks, buddy, for playing. But yeah. So, yeah, seems like we're out here amongst these trees a little bit. Hooked up. That's a little better fish there, I think. Feels like it. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's the biggest one of the day there.
Yep.
Nice fishy there, boy. There we go.
By the lip, huh?
Yeah, that's a nice fish here.
Yeah.
That's a lot better one. All right, thank you. Thank you, Hot Rod. Gee, boy. Got that no out of there. By golly. All right. Beating off them stumps, but woof. Not a big one, but we will take it. We will take him. Yeah, that's bouncing them off them stumps in there, boy. There's a lot of them too. Bounced off the right one, I guess. He liked it. Hooked up. There you go. Okay. Well, look at the belly on that little sucker. Huh?
Been eating good.
He ain't very big, but so I'm not sure what he's been eating, but whatever it is, he's eating a lot of it.
Yeah, whatever it is, he likes it.
Yeah, yeah. He's. Oh, look at that. Well, look at there. Self-release, boy. Yeah, whatever it is, he's feeding on. He's eating a lot of it. Apparently worms, I guess. Eating a lot of worm, maybe. And I don't have to spit it out. I said, I'll put him back in, I swear. No, that's a lot smaller fish there than the one that come out. Well, look there. Yeah, no, that's not the same one. Same one that we hooked a while ago, but that's all right. Yeah. Oh, don't do that. You're gonna hurt yourself, boy. Oh, well, there you go. Fine. That works even too. That's two out of that tree right there, though. That's where that last one was. That tree. So, see if there's a third in there. Weed out the little ones, maybe. Yeah. He probably won't bite no more. His lip probably hurts. Yeah, his lip hurts probably. Six foot. Hooked up. Hooked up. Yeah. Not another big one yet, but that's all right. As long as they're still biting, I'm happy. As long as they're still hitting the old... As long as they're still hitting the old banger, I'm going to keep on tossing her, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Not a big one. Here, bring that up to the camera. Maybe it'll look bigger. Huh? Yeah, bring that up to the camera, boy. Make her look bigger, maybe. He's hungry, man. Oh, worm look good and tasty. Easy meal. What is he thinking? Oh, over there. Right here at the darn boat. Ain't near it. Get in here, boy. Alright. Yeah, it was just on the outside of that bigger stump right there. That's the way it was. Not ready for that. Be honest with you. There we go. A little bit better one, not real good, but better. Alright, let's suck her back in the bottom. Yeah, this little corner over here is kind of producing a little bit, isn't it? Yeah. Producing little. Hooked up. I think. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, how's that coming off there with all them damn treble hooks? God darn it. That's some more. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call Goog and tell him make me some special ones with 3 hooks. Oh, tell him the 2 trebles ain't enough for me. I need 3 of them. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah, there's another one by Dodd. So right on in there. Shoot, yeah. Another monster. Huh? That's alright. I'll take him. I'll take him. He wanted to play along, so I'll take him. You know what I mean? Well, up underneath that grass there, I can't get that sucker. Right up underneath there, I can't get there. Uh-oh. Yeah, hooked up. Hooked up. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, the one that was after mine, he's hungry. This one here slowed down a little bit. Slowed down a little bit, I ate that one instead. Yeah. He got a pretty chunky little belly on him too, for no bigger than he is. Oh, there we go, right there. Playing with, watching you there. Just happened to go ahead and grab one of my own there. Here now, what the heck? What the heck, man? Well, yeah, I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you. But I'll take it. Yeah, I mean, it's, you know, that one come way out right here at the boat. So, yeah, that one come right here at the boat, you know. I don't know how deep we are, but 9 foot, yeah. Hooked up. Shoot, bow. Shoot. Well, I don't know how many that's been today, but this old mini banger, or this old banger's catching the shit out of them. They kind of liking it, boy. So, yeah. Good deal. Heck yes. That there was on one of them oopsie casts too. I'm gonna try another one. If I can do another oopsie cast there. It was. I sure thought I threw it in the best location. Oh, a little bitty guy. He come off. Little bitty guy. There's another one, I think, though. Yep. God damn it, he come off too. Oh yeah. 2 casts in a row, 2 fish, and both come off. Yeah, they're both pretty small. Pretty small. Still don't like to lose them. Still don't like to lose them, man. Not a fan of that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, bub. There's your damn pole. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. There we go. Another one.
Yep.
I figured there was a fish over there somewhere. So there we go. Hooked up with another one. She's a monster. Another monster. Yes, sir. There we go. There's another. I would say usually I may not produce big ones, but it usually produces a fish or two or three. Pulling, but I thought it was a damn stick, so it wasn't moving. You know what I mean? So hell, I thought it was that tree right there. Look at. Easy. Easy, little one. Get you out and done, get you back in there. Get you back in the old bath water there. There you go. Yeah. Shoot ya. Hooked up. Where you at, buddy? There you are. I say, where you at? Damn it. Voila. You're gonna have to get you one of these bangers, you know. Yeah, I mean that kind of sucks. That's for sure. A little fat dude, little fat guy. But hey, yeah.
Yeah, that's all I'm talking about.
Yeah, I mean you gotta put up with some of that. That's for sure. But as long as you're in a boat, it's not as big a deal. You know what I mean? Hey guys, welcome back to Dorsey Outdoors. I didn't have an intro for this video. We just kind of loaded up and went fishing. So, so here's the outro. I mean, and we went out to Manito Lake. Had a great day. I mean, we caught a ton of fish. Me and my dad went out, took the bass boat out. We got a ton of bass. No biggies, they's all pretty well dinks, but we had a lot of fun, caught a ton of fish. So stay tuned for that video. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna go try out some new waters tomorrow in the boat, try out a new lake, see how it goes. We're just trying to get out there, get around, try some new waters, see if we can catch some fish, get some use out of that bass boat, and but stay tuned for the next one. Thanks, guys.